And going into Steve's house. He just lets us walk in. That's Jeremy, by the way. Right there.
Don't show me that.
Come on, everybody looks at your ass.
My peoples were home. Sorry.
Where'd they go? Hi, we're home.
Camera.
There's Alex. So. Oh, and they came down to see us. We're recording already, by the way.
I know, I saw it.
Because I heard food.
Oh, the food's ready? Steve's mom has collected leftovers to make food. They are delicious, and now I'm being hugged by Jeremy.
We should do something
I didn't get
besides
to hug him
film.
today.
We should hang out and do something fun.
He's my brothers. This is how I kiss dogs.
This is how I kiss dogs. No. For anyone that doesn't understand, fine.
This is how I kiss cameras.
Oh.
Has to take a shower and get dressed so we can move on.
I don't know what
I'm not sitting in another house one more night. I refuse.
You're not sitting in this house in particular one morning.
I don't feel like sitting in a house at all. I feel like.
Oh yeah, that's right. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
No, jeez.
I don't know why I did the camera change.
And then when you edit it for 42 topics.
Should we put this on XTube instead?
Yes.
I mean, just look at this.
And then when you
Look
edit
at this
it for 42
sexy,
topics, put like little,
sexy,
like
scruffy.
Little sensors.
Scruff.
Watching out.
What is that? I want some.
Blind, bud.
Is there another one over? Oh, there's another one over here. Ooh, brownies. I'm gonna be fat by the time I get back on base.
I see you didn't.
I actually only weigh 174 pounds.
I took
YouTube,
it home
real quick. Brownie.
I stole it
That
from
is
Steven,
a focus. That is a
Took it home.
sexy, delicious brownie.
No. Brownies! Whoop whoop!
There's a Rubik's Cube over there.
You better hurry, there's one more
I
left!
hate those things.
Mine.
Oh, hey, look at mine!
Fuck you people!
She's fat.
No, I want it with ice cream. I'm gonna warm it up and I'm gonna
No.
Yeah, fuck you.
Sun
That
glare!
sounds really good. Here.
Steven, or Jeremy. Oh no, Steven watched it. I'm an adult, I can eat over the sink. Remember from Daily Grace? She goes to Hannah Hart's house and that's her face.
Look at my horse.
My horse is amazing. Give it a lick. It tastes like raisins. We have issues, and we're well aware of this. Hold on. Logic here, people. Logic. Food brought out. Okay, leftovers that Steven's mother has brought out for us. He's making it, whatever the fuck this is. Lasagna. He gets out. Lasagna. But yet his mother gives us all of this. And what does the fat ass do? He gets his own food.
It's all leftovers. I ate it already.
I'm just...
I meant to do the A-Team intro and it ended up as Indiana Jones.
Hey, what's up?
Pork roast.
Ditch.
Actually, I'm gonna move you guys. I'm trying to eat. That's why I keep moving you. I'm like putting you in cabinets. Literally, I'm putting you inside cabinets. See, cabinet. I don't prove I was putting you in a cabinet.
What is this for? Your 42 topics?
Probably, or just Jeremy's entertainment. One of the bastard. Fuck was that shit? Fucking hell, dude.
Help.
As if they didn't think we had enough issues.
Help us.
I think they know I have enough issues considering my tagline is I haven't been Steve. Exactly.
He's not my brother, that's for sure.
Can I be your brother?
The question.
Yes, you
Yes.
can.
I win. I'm Alex's brother now. It's official. It was audio. I'm her brother now.
The question you've been running from.
You
The
guys
question.
actually look alike.
Oh, excuse me.
Why am I
You're
not
gonna be right-
ginger?
What?
I completely missed something. What?
Why are you-
Doctor Who references.
it was-
Shit.
Breaking news.
This is-
Signal
oh.
Matt.
Yeah, this is
4 now.
This is gonna be your. No, seriously, you
It's
know
not
how.
worth it.
Steve, you know how. Hey, hey.
Hold on, I'm
hey,
beating the crap out of him.
Hey.
Save me.
Shake.
This is what happens when I come home.
But you missed it when
You
you're
get
not
white
here.
stuff all over your face.
Yes. I have no idea what's going on.
wait for that to come up from my.
SpongeBob.
Put that in there. I love how you took the microwave off.
They're not letting me eat, people. They're not letting me eat.
We went to an all gas school.
Yeah, we did.
We went to school together.
And I just,
Jeremy was trying to get up in the midst of.
I'm just trying to go like, hi.
The one guy went out with some people that wasn't his wife, and he kissed the one girl on the cheek.
Okay.
And so they're trying to prove a point, and they're like, "You wouldn't just kiss like another dude on the cheek," and I'm just sitting there going, "My God,
I was.
completely do this."
Yeah, I was
Not
gonna
even
say, like,
bat a wink
it
at.
happens every other minute.
I'm like, this would just always happen.
We're talking about the straight guys who nothing. The gay one totally just did that.
Come at me, bro.
Gosh.
Oh yeah. Oh god damn.
You
Oh.
breathe in my mouth.
You okay, Jer?
Or just to repeat you from the other
Protect
night.
the
It's cool.
camera.
I'm okay. Okay, don't worry. Just give me a few minutes. I gave you 20. It's okay, cool.
I was fine. I tell you, I was fine.
You were drunk.
That was funny.
It was hysterical.
Sadly, the camera. This is a really awkward angle. Sadly, the camera was dead at the time. Thank you. Sadly, the camera was dead at the time. It'd be like
And
a three.
I was the most
Alright.
soberest when I should.
I was the most
Most soberest.
Guys, I know we're having strange time with friends, but let's take this to a different room.
Living room.
But it's the kitchen.